It's day 3 of the Irene Garza murder trial. For the first half of the day, McAllen Police Chief Victor Rodriguez was on the stand.
Yeah, and he knows the case very well as his department reopened the case in 2002. Channel
5's Christine Galvan has all the details. Christine.
Dina and Oscar, the court just ended for the day just less than 5 minutes ago. A former monk who reported a confession John Feit made to police in 2002 dominated the second part of the day. He was remaining on the stand until just about 5 minutes ago. Del Teschney reached out to investigators in 2002, nearly 40 years after he says Feit told him he killed Irene. John Feit is the now 84-year-old former priest on trial for the murder of Irene Garza. Teschney told the jury he met John Feit in 1963. That was 3 years after Garza was murdered. They met at a monastery where Teschney was tasked with determining if Feit was fit to be a monk. Here is what Teschney told the jury happened after the confession.
As I asked Father Feit, why are you here and not in prison? And he said there were 3 things. Number 1, the church helped me, primarily through a priest. May I mention the priest's name? Yes, sir. Father O'Brien was a priest that was mentioned, and law enforcement helped him. He didn't tell me who the law enforcement was. And finally, the seal of confession helped him.
And just right now, John Feit leaving the courtroom for the 3rd day of his murder trial. The defense just wrapping up questioning of Del Teschney. Carrie Zayas is also in that courtroom. She's been in the courtroom all day, just now getting out like everybody else who has been inside there. She will have much more from Teschney and all the latest coming up at 6. Reporting live in Edinburgh, Christine Galvan, Channel 5 News.